Hello guys, today I've got Redmi Headphones Neo, and of course I'm going to show you how to set the device type of your headphones in your Android phone. To set the device type, you need to at first open the settings. Now on Note Calendar, settings. Here, connections and Bluetooth. If you are on some other phone rather than Samsung, you need to go either to Bluetooth section or connected devices section. Once you are here, you see this view, tap this gear icon, and as you can see, here I've got audio device type. Tap it. Here, of course, select headphones. Using the device type, correct device type, specifying it may increase the correction measurements of the volume monitor, and it may protect your hearing. Goodbye!